So most respected Chief Minister, Honorable IT Ministers, Secretary and friends from media. We are really delighted to be here in Andhra Pradesh. I must tell you that when our CEO from North America brought the idea to make in India the best hyper-sized data center, hyperscale data centers, when I closed my eye and I was basically thinking that where we should venture in India. And I can tell you very frankly that I could not basically find any other place than Andhra Pradesh, and under the leadership of Sri Chandra Babuji, I have full confidence that basically the vision of Adani Group, what basically our country needs, we could basically able to fulfill this venture. And as you are aware, end of the day, we are a commercial venture, and at a first step, if we will be successful, and we are quite hopeful that basically in Andhra Pradesh, in the hands of the Chandra Babuji, at least our first step will be more successful. And basically, I can only give promise to the people of Andhra Pradesh and the Chief Minister that on our part, we will do every possible thing in a most fastest manner. And in very immediately next 60 days, we will start working towards simultaneously on developing these data centers. And I'm quite hopeful that basically people of Andhra Pradesh, from the government of Andhra Pradesh, we are getting basically full support, and will continue to have the same support to fulfill our country's and state vision. Thank you.
Now I am very happy. This center, I am requesting them. Now we are doing MOU now, procedure, formalities you will complete. To start the project within 2 months' time. At least we have to lay the foundation also at the earliest. That also I am requesting them. And then they will move forward. And also Bhavanapadu port also, they are developing. That also we are going to lay the foundation during this month end or first week of February, so that project also will take off. These two projects, now Adani's presence here very much. 40,000 crores data center, 30,000 crores renewable energy, solar energy, మొత్తం 1,10,000 ఉద్యోగాలు. దెన్ ఎకో సిస్టమ్ యూ కెన్ ఇమాజిన్ ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్.
అసలు గూగుల్ రావడానికి, గూగుల్ డేటా సెంటర్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ అవ్వడానికి ఇనీషియల్గా పునాదులు పడింది జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి గారి టైంలో. అదానీ డేటా సెంటర్ ద్వారా విశాఖపట్నంలో డేటా సెంటర్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేయాలనేటువంటిది ఆ రోజు ఉన్నటువంటి మా ప్రభుత్వం తాలూకు ఆలోచన.